Hi, and welcome again to Right Style Cooking TV. Today's recipe will be fried red snapper in an Oriental sweet and sour sauce. In this bowl, I got a mixture comprising of half a cup soy sauce, half a cup all-purpose flour, and half a cup cornstarch. These snappers have been washed and I patted them dry. Now what I gotta do is to marinate them with this paste. Okay, so I got to rub them on the outside and rub them on the inside with the paste. Just like this. And then set them aside for about 1 hour. Okay? In this pot, I have enough oil to deep fry the marinated snappers. So I'll start to deep fry them now. At this time I only can deep fry 2, so I'll deep fry 2 first and then I'll deep fry the other one because the pot is not big enough to handle all 3. This is a very delicious recipe. When I'm finished deep frying, I'll be doing the sweet and sour sauce. So that's the way it goes right now. So I'll get back to you when I complete the deep frying process and when I'm gonna do the sweet and sour sauce. Okay, I've finished frying the fish. Now I'll be doing the sweet and sour sauce. In that pot, got 2 tablespoons oil. Now I'll be adding 1.5 teaspoon garlic, chopped finely. One carrot, cut in 1/4-inch strips. One yellow and 1 red bell pepper, cut in 1/4-inch strips. I'll be sauteing these for 2 minutes. Okay, this is 1 cup chicken stock. Six tablespoons sugar. Stir it in. 1 tablespoon soy sauce. 6 tablespoon red 6 tablespoon red vinegar. Correction, 6 tablespoon red wine vinegar. When this is finished, I'll be plating the fish and I'll be distributing this evening over the fish. So see you then. Okay, the recipe is now complete. I'll be spooning on the sweet and sour sauce on the fried fish. Oh, wonderful it looks. Yes, yes. These are the fried red snappers with sweet and sour Oriental style sauce. How wonderful they look. Here we go again. Fried red snapper in Oriental style sweet and sour sauce. In the front view, like they're swimming in the sauce. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to this channel.